Hello students, welcome in Asmi's Chemistry Academy. I hope everyone has subscribed my YouTube channel and you are enjoying with the chemistry. So today I have brought it for you the preparation reaction of ketone. In previous two videos we have seen the preparation reaction of aldehyde and ketone together, and in this video we will learn about the preparation reaction of ketone only. Okay, so see my videos, like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel, and whatever comments you want to share with me you can write in the comment box. Let's start to learn about the preparation reactions of ketone. Now ketone is prepared by two ways. First one is the Friedel-Crafts reaction, and second one with the Grignard reagent and cadmium chloride we can prepare the ketone. Okay, that reaction we will see later on. First of all we will see preparation reaction of ketone by Friedel-Crafts reaction. When alkane, you can take any example of alkane. I have written here in general. It reacts with the acyl chloride or acid chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Okay, remember everyone, whenever anhydrous aluminum chloride is given, then you should remember that this reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So this H and this Cl, when Cl will get removed, it reacts with the H, then it forms the byproduct HCl, and in place of Cl it will form the alkyl group and formation of ketone takes place. See here, very simple reaction it is. Let's see one example of this. When this R is CH3H, means methane, it reacts with the CH3 C double bond O Cl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. It forms CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is acetone, and the byproduct as usual it is HCl. By the help of this reaction we can prepare aliphatic ketone and aromatic ketone. This is the example of aliphatic ketone. Let's see the aromatic ketone. Suppose this one I will keep it as it is, and here this R I will replace by the benzene ring. This is what? Benzoyl chloride. When the methane reacts with benzoyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it forms acetophenone. Simple this one. Cl will get removed, this HCl will form, and this CH3 will be attached on this carbon atom. So the formation of acetophenone takes place. By the removal of HCl. This is what the Friedel-Crafts reaction. We have seen the general reaction and two examples. One example of aliphatic ketone, another example of aromatic ketone. With the help of this reaction we can prepare aliphatic, aromatic, both example we can prepare it. Now let us see the second preparation reaction. This is second reaction. By the use of acyl chloride and dialkyl cadmium we can prepare the ketone. But before that we have to see how to prepare the dialkyl cadmium. See here, when the cadmium chloride CdCl2, it reacts with the Grignard reagent. What is the formula of Grignard reagent? RMgX, or it is also called as alkyl magnesium halide. When alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard reagent reacts with cadmium chloride, it forms dialkyl cadmium. But here it is given di what? But here only one alkyl group and cadmium valency is 2. So we have to balance, for the balancing we have to take the 2 molecules of Grignard reagent. Then it will form CdR2 plus the byproduct is 2MgX and 2Cl. So the byproduct is 2 moles of MgCl and this is X. So the reaction gets balanced. Now this cadmium, dialkyl cadmium reacts with acyl chloride. See here Rc double bond O Cl plus CdR2. Now here also I have taken the alkyl group, here also alkyl group is taken. So represent this in the different way. I have to taken here R dash. Okay. Now this Cl and this cadmium, to balance this one we have to take the 2 moles of acyl chloride. When reacts with each other, then it will form the ketone. See here R dash C double bond O as it is, and this R will attach to this. Here we have taken 2 molecules, 2 alkyl groups, so balancing here with the 2. So 2 molecules of ketone we have got it, and this R and multiply by 2. So Cl also 2, the byproduct is CdCl2. What we have taken here? Cadmium chloride, that we got it again, the cadmium chloride. So this is the general reaction. Now to solve the example directly we can take here the cadmium, dialkyl cadmium as it is, you can take, no need to write this reaction. Okay, let us see one example. What is the name of this? Dimethyl cadmium, and this one is the acetyl chloride. Then it forms 2 molecules of CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone, and the byproduct is CdCl2 cadmium chloride. This I have formed here aliphatic ketone. One more example we will see to learn about the aromatic ketone. C6H5 means benzene ring, C double bond O Cl benzoyl chloride plus CdCH3 twice. Then it forms 2 molecules of C6H5 C double bond O CH3, that is acetophenone plus CdCl2. When you are writing in your notebook, mention here names of product and reactant. This is acetophenone, this is dimethyl cadmium, and this one is the benzoyl chloride. Here it is acetyl chloride, here it is same the name dimethyl cadmium. So this what the 2 examples, one is of aliphatic, another one is of aromatic, and this is the general reaction. Before general reaction you have to mention the statement. What you will write in the statement? When acyl chloride reacts with dialkyl cadmium, it forms the corresponding ketone. And first of all you have to write it this reaction, and then this is the second part of the reaction. In general reaction you have to note down these 2 reactions. And for example, acetyl chloride reacts with dimethyl chloride, it forms acetone. Second example, benzoyl chloride reacts with dimethyl cadmium, it forms the acetophenone. Likewise you note down in your notebook. And stay tuned for the next video.